dinadala ko sa init ng bisig mo. Pati pa sabihin ang hindi mo maamin. Ipauubaya na lang bato sa hangin. Huwag mong ikatakot ang bulong ng damdamin mo. Naririto ako, nakikinig sa'yo.
It was great.
As you know, Jenny is a versatile artist, and she's prepared another fast song because she can do all other genres.
No, there's no need for that. I've seen and heard enough.
So, Mr. Regala, can we both talk about the terms of Jenny's contract then?
Vanna, thank you for presenting Jenny to us. She's undeniably talented. A total package with the voice and the charisma. But, as a recording company, we also have to consider the market. Sa ngayon, mahihirapan kaming i-promote si Jenny kung hindi pa siya tanggap ng publiko. Please give us the room. Vanna, I'm really sorry, pero wala nang negotiation na mangyayari. And we won't be moving forward with signing Jenny. Mahirap i-take risk ang situation ni Jenny sa ngayon. At the end of the day, business pa rin ito. I hope you understand.
Wala akong magagawa kung yan ang desisyon ninyo, Mr. Regala. I have to respect it.
Don't worry. Wala pa rin magbabago sa working relationship natin with Nix.
Thank you po sa pagbigay niyo ng time, sir.
Walang anuman, anak.
We'll go ahead.
Take care.
Let's go.
Pinagbigyan na kita sa gusto mo. Hindi ko tinanggap si Jenny.
Good. Kung hindi mo ako binigyan ng heads up na mangyayaring negotiation with Vanna and you regarding Jenny's career,